Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota electric stand-up rider, model number 8BNCU20. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, be sure to give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 4,000 pounds, and it runs on this 36-volt battery. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 203 inches, and it has your integral side shift. Now it comes with 42-inch standard tapered forks, and looking at the tires, these front tires are a black smooth cushion tire, and I'll show you in a moment that it has a red polyurethane tire on the back. Coming up here to the front, we also have these ultra bright LED headlights. Now I want to show you that this operator compartment is very spacious, very roomy, and very ergonomically designed, so it's great for the comfort of your driver. A couple of points to show you right off the bat. It has this extended back, which is very comfortable for your operator, and it has here this floor, this suspension floor that gives lots of cushion as they're operating. And I want to show you too, there is lots of space within this cabin. It's one of the things that people love the most about this unit is how ergonomically designed everything is. We also have this nice, comfortable, cushioned armrest for your operator to be able to use to keep their elbow nice and comfortable. And as you can see on our dash, everything is very simple. It's all placed right here at your operator's hands and fingertips. Now up here we have this clipboard holder here where they can put all of their paperwork. We have a cup holder and another compartment where they could put pens or keys or other things like that. Now coming up here to the top, we have an operator fan, a nice little light that shines down on their papers. Here's where I have my switch for those forward-facing headlights, and up on the top we have that yellow strobe. And this one also comes with a backup alarm. Now, as I mentioned, this is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to demo this unit, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.